we are gonna make over. I got two of these little sets, they're just these little coasters that we're gonna paint over. These are all about beer. We're gonna paint them. And then I got some really pretty paper from Reba Rose. Isn't this, you guys know, you decoupage, you gotta throw white paint on here. Okay, so let's just decoupage. There are 6 of these, 4 coasters. See, this keeps jamming up on me. All right, so here, this has 6 images. I'm just going to line this up like so. And then I'm going to get my little gator. Where's my gator? And I'm just going to, you know how we do this. And then once we get this on, we'll be able to, what's going to make this a little bit different is how we do the case. Look at how pretty. Aren't these going to be so darling? These actually. Jack is home. All right, so we have our coasters done. I am going to seal them with the triple thick Duraclear. No, this is just the infuser, just to seal that paper down. Look at these. They're all done. I got them sealed. Yeah, go figure. We got this. Now, here's what's going to make these a little bit different of a coaster set, because here's the case that they came in. As you can see, it's just boring black. We're going to take this gorgeous Would You Bend trim, and we're going to put it on here. So we're just going to take this, we're going to frame this out. Okay, so here's this one. I'm going to see if it fits that same side, and I'm just going to kind of copy it. Okay, so there's those 2. I wonder if they're the same on the other sides. Indeed they are. We are going to get some wood glue. You have to make sure it's heated before you do anything. Even if you're putting it on a flat surface, you want to make sure that it's heated up. When I first started doing it, I did a lot of that too. I kept forgetting. Ooh, I didn't cut that one very straight. What is going on, Kathleen? Okay. Look at how cute that is. So we're doing royal bronze. Okay, so we've got all this. It's all done. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to mix in here. I'm scraping the barrel here. This is I really got to order this. Put a big pile of black and then just put the brown, the copper over it and then mix it. And I usually get a pretty good color. We're just going to go in here. I'm just going to paint this whole thing. Look at how pretty. See that gorgeous royal bronze? It's so pretty. Now that we got this all done, now we have to bring out all that detail. Now I'm going over it with the Antique Gold Rub and Buff. You see how that just changed the whole look of that? Ooh, small feet on the bottom is good. Then I could just paint it all. You guys tell me here. So here's the coasters. We're not ready for bling just yet. I gotta paint the sides. I wanna paint these sides. I wasn't gonna do it just right yet, but being that the paint's already mixed, I might as well. What did I say I was gonna do? Oh, the feet, right? Yeah, let's make this look regal. Let's let the backs of these dry. These might be too big. These are like bigger beads that have the flat back, but I had to dig through my bucket. Let's see how big these look. think those are too big. I don't think so. I'm one of those people, go big or go home, right? Let's see, let's just do it. I don't feel like digging. Wait. All right, so because we're doing that, we're gonna have to, I don't know if I can even peel this off, y'all. Let me see. Let me try to do it the professional way. I am going to, wrong one. I'm just going to paint the bottom. That was pretty stupid. I should have, let me paint it after I get the balls on. Jeez Louise. Let me do this. And I'm just going with it, y'all. That glue will set up pretty quickly too, the wood glue. Amazing. I'm just gonna be careful around these feet until they are 100% dried on there. You guys, this is so cute. Okay, so now we're done. These are all dry on the back. Tell me that's not so pretty. All right, now the hearts. So I was gonna use the Totally Dazzled, this little thing on the side, and I'm going to use the Ultimate Rhinestone Applicator Kit on the swirls. And see, just for giggles, watch. This is the rose gold. Watch how you can zhuzh it up. This is, I'm putting this directly on the front of the set, kind of like a little arrow down. Let's just give it a little love. So you just put that cute little thing on there, so when it sits there on your table, you got a little piece of bling. I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna peel this off, and I'm going to hold that on with some B7000. So I just like to go around here and see like where these little swirls end. I like to take and put bling so it gets uber sparkle all the way around, and I just find a spot. Now that's where that little heart's gonna go, but I'll still zhuzh it out anyway. And I'll add these little coordinating, I'll just put a little blob of glue wherever I want to add a crystal. So see how you just added like little bitty crystals? So it's got crystal all the way around. Anyway, that's my craft for today. Isn't it beautiful? It's like a little zhuzhed up coaster set. Yeah, this is super, super cute.